What is the best way to cover my pre-cooked ham while reheating to prevent it from drying out?
Hello, and welcome to our tutorial on reheating pre-cooked ham without losing its delicious juiciness. There's nothing worse than biting into a piece of ham that's turned out dry and hard after reheating. But don't worry, we're here to show you a foolproof method that will keep your ham succulent and tasty.
What you'll need.
Before we start, let's gather our tools and ingredients. You will need your pre-cooked ham, an oven-safe dish large enough to hold the ham, aluminum foil, liquid for basting. This could be water, stock, a marinade, or even fruit juice. Remember, the key to success is preparation.
Preheat the oven.
The first step is to preheat your oven. Set your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Celsius. Preheating the oven will ensure that the ham is reheated evenly throughout.
Prepare your ham.
Place your pre-cooked ham in the oven-safe dish. If your ham comes with a glaze packet, you can choose to apply it now, or you can wait until the last 15 to 20 minutes of reheating for a more caramelized glaze.
Add moisture.
To prevent the ham from drying out during the reheating process, we need to introduce some moisture. Pour about half an inch of your chosen liquid, water, stock, etc., into the bottom of the dish. This will create steam as it heats, keeping the ham moist.
Cover your ham.
Now it's time to cover the ham. Tear off a large piece of aluminum foil and tightly cover your dish. Make sure the foil is well sealed around the edges of the dish. This will trap the steam inside and ensure that your ham stays moist as it reheats.
Reheat your ham.
Place the dish in your preheated oven. A good rule of thumb for reheating pre-cooked ham is to allow about 10 to 15 minutes per pound at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Celsius.
Check your ham.
After the recommended time, remove the foil and check the internal temperature of your ham with a meat thermometer. The ham is ready when it reaches an internal temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius. If your ham isn't up to temperature, recover with the foil and return it to the oven, checking every few minutes. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily reheat your pre-cooked ham without it drying out. The combination of slow, even heating and steam from the added liquid will ensure that your ham remains moist and delicious. We hope this video has been helpful and will make your ham reheating endeavors a success.